Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help guys. So for today's video, I'm going to show you Power BI. So I'm going to introduce to you Power BI. So Microsoft Power BI, it's a powerful and widely used business intelligence and data visualization platform that helps organizations and individuals in analyzing their data, in creating interactive reports, dashboards, and of course, in gaining insights from various data sources. So that's mainly what it does. It creates a data-driven culture for everyone. So, for example, here they've given here an example on how to use it. So you can bring all of your data in together. You can turn your insights into an impact. So what it does is it connects to diverse data sources. So it can pull data from a vast array of sources. So this includes everything like Excel, CSV files, PDFs, and then from there, it transforms and models these data. So users it allows users to clean the data, to transform data, to prepare raw data for like a deep analysis, and then apart from this, it can also create interactive visualizations like what you see here. It can create visualizations right there, and that is very important, mainly because these visuals allow users to drill down and, of course, explore the data more. Now, it also creates dashboards and reports, so users can design interactive reports and dashboards that present key metrics and performance indicators or KPIs in a single consolidated view. And then apart from this, some components of Power BI is that Power BI has a desktop, so you can start for free right here. Just go to their website, click on Power BI, and then try for free. You can download it on your computer, Microsoft, definitely. So you can download it for free. You also have your advanced download options right here. If you're not familiar with Power BI, they have guidance information here, some courses that you can take for you to learn further about how to use Power BI and basically how to get a gist on transforming data. So the way you use Power BI is, of course, you download the application, you connect your data to the application, and then you transform these data into Power Query Editor. So Power Query Editor, it's a powerful tool for data preparation. So here you can um for um for the Power Query data, this is where you can now transform the data, the raw data that you have provided. You can transform it now into insights. You can transform it into reports. You can create visuals out of it. So that this is where everything happens. You can also model your data depending on your preferences. You can create measures, you can create calculations, and of course, you can understand DAX. DAX is a formula language. It's used to compare Excel files, Excel formula. And then another thing is for Power BI, you can format, of course, the visuals as I mentioned earlier, and you can also publish your report to Power BI itself. And that's about it. So basically, Power BI has a bit of a learning curve, especially for DX and data modeling, but there are tons of resources available online. They also provide, as I mentioned, they provide learning here, courses and learning paths that you can take to help you master Power BI even further. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.